Neetu Banerjee here from Pice Educare Private Limited. Today my topic of discussion is NEET. NEET is National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test. NEET examination is held every year in India for the student who want to pursue their undergraduate in the medical field. This coming year 2021 NEET examination is most likely to be held in month of May. I'll tell you about the NEET question paper. NEET question paper carries with physics, chemistry and bio. These are the three main subjects. Again there is division in the bio, that is botany and zoology. The question carries 180 questions that are MCQ. The total marks are 720 and the duration is 3 hours. These 3 hours are the very crucial hours for you all, as you have to attend good marks by giving positive answer to all the questions. At least you have to attend 150 to 160 questions for securing and holding a good rank in the NEET examination. Let me clear the main doubts of the topper students of the schools. Even though you are the topper of your school, it doesn't mean that you are going to crack NEET examination very easily. As in NEET examination, you are going to compete with the toppers of all over India. And the second doubt is that it's nothing like that. The weak student or the mediocre student can't crack NEET. As cracking NEET is completely dependent upon your self-study and practice. Try to study 12 to 13 hours from 11th standard itself. Even though you are doing self-study, try to study 12 to 13 hours in a day. In that, keep 3 hours every day for solving the MCQ questions. It will not only increase your speed but also will increase your rational thinking power, which is very much important for solving the NEET question paper. Rest 3 hours you keep for practicing or for revising the last what you have learned. Others are you keep for learning the new things and for practicing the new things. Try to take 8 hours of sleep and try to play. It's nothing like that you are going to crack NEET, so you have to study 24 hours. You can't play, you can't go to parties, you can't enjoy your day. Definitely you can do all this, but in 24 hours, keep 12 to 13 hours completely for your study. The main key word for cracking NEET, not to attend the negative marks. Try to attend only those questions in which you are 100% assured that you are going to get the positive marks. Practice makes man perfect. This is the phrase which we all know. The more you will practice, the more you will going to get the good marks. Now I'll tell you some tips for preparation of the NEET examination. Try to solve last 2 years or 4 years question papers of the NEET examination. It will help you to get practice for the NEET. Let me clear one doubt for the candidates who can't afford to study under the brand coaching center. Even you can crack NEET. It's completely dependent upon your self-study. Be in home. Try to study by yourself. Try to thorough your syllabus of 11th and 12th standard. You can buy the MCQ books from the market. Try to practice it. Practice makes man perfect. For getting the syllabus of NEET, kindly go through the link below. Kindly like and subscribe my channel. Once again, I'll be visiting to you very soon with some more doubts related to NEET examination. Thank you very much. Be safe.